Want to keep your WhatsApp chats private? In this video, I'll show you how to set up an app lock on WhatsApp in less than 1 minute. Unlock your smartphone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap Privacy option. Scroll down and select App Lock. Turn on the Lock button to lock WhatsApp. Choose your preferred authentication method, such as your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device passcode. Choose Automatically Lock Type. Immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. Close WhatsApp completely and open it again. You'll now be asked to verify your identity before accessing your chats. Your WhatsApp is now protected, helping keep your personal conversations private. That's it. Your chats will now have a fresh new appearance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.